Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix and colorize and upscale your old photographs using Video Processor Converter AI. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can upscale, fix, and colorize your old photos using Video Processor Converter AI. This is the program I also use to convert M2TS files into MP4s. I just had a video done on this a couple of days ago. If you're looking for something like that, look at the description of my video. I'm going to give you the links for that. You can also, with Video Processor Converter, you can upscale everything. You can fix stabilization, but today I'm gonna show you how to fix your old pictures. Alright, so here's the interface, and let's say I want to fix old picture. For example, this is my old school picture, and so here's the options that we can do. So here are a couple of options. This automatically is set up for me to upscale. In this interface you can choose different options, so you can later play with it. So you can see if I want to upscale it, this is my original resolution, and right now I have almost double resolution. So as you can see, if you just click that, you can see that we have more details. As you can see, picture of my teacher looks so much cleaner, and all the faces also look much cleaner. Another option that is useful in this interface, it's face restoration. So if you click on that, you can choose to restore and enhance your faces. Now you can choose high quality faces, and you can choose all faces. So I'm gonna choose all that. And one thing that you're gonna see is that the faces are gonna become a little bit more sharper. So if you zoom in and you want to check the details, the AI is not perfect. So that's what I want to point out. Look at this guy. So his right eye looks like this. His left one looks kind of iffy. So I'm not really sure if this is the result that everybody would like to have. But this is the option that you can do. And the picture looks really, really good. One thing that I'm a little bit disappointed is that AI should really easy be able to fix all the scratches, like here you can see it, and it seems not to be able to do it. So let me just go and show you another example. Now let me show you another example. So here I'm gonna choose this old photo, which the faces of my friends are kind of blurry. This is old photo. It still has pretty good resolution, but it was scanned or photographed from a regular photograph. So if you can see right now, it looks almost the same. There's less graininess in the background, but wait to see the face restoration. This is really amazing what this program can do. And in this particular situation, result is really amazing. So take a look at those faces. There's a day and night difference between old photos and the new ones. And look how blurry that is, and how those pictures look totally different than the picture on the left side. One thing that I just want to point out, that AI is really not that smart 100%. Look at the shape of the glasses on one side comparing to the other one. It's not the same. So it looks a little bit iffy, but if you don't look too close, this looks pretty good. Now let me show you colorizing option on the older photos. So now if I choose colorizing option for this black and white photo, look how amazing the colorization is going to be. It takes a little bit of time to process all those images. It really does take, as you can see right here, my 99% of resources of my GPUs, which is a lot, and it still takes a lot of time. So look at the comparison between old one and the new one. It looks pretty realistic. So if you're looking for also restoration of the faces, you can see if the results that you're going to get are satisfactory. If you look at those faces, it kind of looks a little bit better. Some of them look a little bit more blurry than others, but other than that, it really looks pretty good. I don't know why. For example, this one, you can see the face is totally restored, but my dad in the back, his face is not. So I guess the only reason to do all faces is you need to click all faces, and let's see what we're gonna get now. Now you can see the difference between left and right, original and new one. All the faces have been restored, but again, as you can see, AI is not always correct. This person's got a face totally on the side. My dad's hair look totally not real, and his one eye is totally shut. My mom's glasses and his look weird, and her face is deformed. So AI does not always create perfect fix for your old photographs, but if you choose not to restore the faces, most of the time we get pretty decent results. So in summary, this video processing program with the help of AI can restore your old photos. You can upscale them, you can change resolution up to 4K, and you have a lot of different options that you can play with to restore your old photos, fix blurry faces, and colorize black and white photos. So it's pretty good tool for those that want to play with it. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Other than that, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.